بعدين اكتشفت كومبلكس فراكتل، بقيت هيك أشوف الفيديوهات، باحاول إني أفهم الاستراتيجية من الفيديوهات. كانت في صعوبات في البداية، مثلًا بافتح الشارت بهذا الشكل، ما باعرف من وين بابلش من هون، من هون، ما كانت عندي رؤية واضحة. بعدين قُلت أوكي، خلّيني بابلش آخذ الدورة معهم، أشوف كيف الوضع. Alright folks, welcome to this new video. May this new year all your dreams come true. So today we'll have a breakdown for this trade on the gold chart on the 1 minute time frame. The main model that we have used right here, it was the equal high model right here to execute the long position and to target this highs. There are some of you who has located this fractal right here as a trend child wave model, and we'll explain this one in details. So go to the trading view chart. Before we talk about the strong position, let's understand what happens before, okay? So if we come back right here to this area, we'll notice that we have an equal low model, okay? And we have already talked about this one on the VIP channel, and we have already done some examples on this one when we have the equal low model on the middle of the trend, okay? So if we take a copy for this one, it was impossible to execute any trade with this one just by focusing on the model, okay? Why? Because as you can see right here, this pullback wasn't the same pullback right here as a scale, okay? And that's why I always recommend that when you trade an equal low model or an equal high model, you need another model to confirm your entry point. But right here, if we are a little bit smart, we'll notice that we have a lower high. So we'll wait for the price to give us a lower high, and then we can execute a short position from this level right here to target this low that is self-similar to this low right here, okay? So this was the first idea right here, okay? So if we zoom out right here on this chart, try to find another opportunity, try to understand what we have right here, we will pay attention that in this area we have an equal high, and there is a clear geometric structure right here. We have downtrend, pullback, and then a downtrend, okay? So we can take a copy for this one. I will just take a copy for the downtrend so I can scale it easily. And then I will take my fractal in this way to this high, and then I will start scaling, okay? In this way. You will notice that this pullback right here, this pullback in this way, okay, will fit with this one right here, okay? So this is how you will scale your equal high model, okay? The high with the high to reset the movement, and then we'll scale our fractal, okay? So in this way, we have our entry point at this level to target this high right here, okay? So this one was enough to execute our long position without any issues. But right here, we can look for another confirmations, okay? If you focus on the details, you will see that this wave was similar to this wave right here. So we can think about a trend child wave model. And there are already some of you who has located this one. So as a trend line for the confirmation of our entry point, everything is good. So from the beginning of the child wave to the end of the child wave, and then on the third touch we'll execute our long position. And right here, if we take a copy of this fractal from the beginning of the child wave to the high of the mother wave in this way, and then we'll try to scale our fractal so we can make sure that our entry will be the right one. So in this way, we'll put the high with the high and the low with the low. So very nice. So now we have put the high with the high, the low with the low. So everything matched. And right here we have our entry point 0 drawdown to confirm our long position to break this high right here. Okay. Also, right here, if we pay attention, this trend child wave model was also an an L in two direction, okay? Because if we take this uptrend before the trend child wave model and we'll try to scale it from the high, we'll notice that the price will cover all this wave and also will give us this entry point right here, okay? So always pay attention when you have a trend child wave model in this way. Try to also focus on this uptrend because this uptrend can cover also this uptrend right here, and it becomes a good confirmation for your entry point and to understand more the structure right here of the trend, this trend, okay, in this way. So right here we can notice very well the details. We have this wave similar to this wave, and then this pullback on the middle, then this pullback on the middle. It was at this level right here, so everything is perfect. Then with the downtrend we can execute our long position to go higher, okay?